time feels just right. Picnic, blankets, games, and sun. Sunday is for outdoor fun.
Monday means it's back to school. Time to follow every rule. Learn to read and count and write. Mondays make our future bright.
Tuesday brings us arts and crafts. Paper, glue, and lots of laughs. Paint a rainbow, build a hat. Make a card for mom or dad.
Wednesdays dancing, spin and sway. Jump around and shout hooray. Wiggle, jiggle, twirl and tap. Then take a cozy midday nap. Thursday stories, books galore. Tales of pirates, dragons, more. We imagine, dream and share. Adventures found just everywhere.
Friday's here with songs to sing. Clap your hands and form a ring. Music makes us want to play. Friday is a joyful day.
Saturday comes, no need to rush. Play in puddles, splash and mush. Ride a bike or bake some cake. Saturdays for fun we make.
7 days, each one so new. Something special we can do. Let's enjoy them, everyone. A week of learning, laughs, and fun.
Bye-bye. The end.